Hey y'all. Whew. I am exhausted after this weekend. I have been doing a ton of reclaiming of my home this weekend. And today I spent a lot of time, doing some deep cleaning with all the dust. But I've been doing a lot of deep cleaning. I've been moving furniture out of my house, moving furniture into my house that is more aligned with who I am. It's my style, rather than a, hey, let's make this work with something else kind of a thing. So I am downright exhausted right now. I have been busting my tail. Also spent yesterday morning going and fetching some rabbit cages that a friend of mine gave me. She's so sweet. She made some of them, and the others she got from somebody else. But at any rate, so I did that yesterday morning with her, and then went out last night and had some fun dancing and listening to beautiful music and visiting with amazing friends. And then today, oh my gosh, today doing all this work here at the house, trying to basically, like I said, reclaim my home. Bringing that good old sparkle back to my living space. But the best part about today and what I'm doing right now is that I'm ending my evening and my weekend in my favorite place ever. I'm in my garden. I absolutely love my garden. Over here I've got my carrots, my beets. I have some dill back over there. What else do I have? I have feverfew and cilantro. I've got some morning glories. And then over here, on this side, I've got nasturtium flowers. Behind that, I've got a bunch of pepper plants. And then behind that, I have blue, blue butterfly pea flowers. I'm growing those for the first time this year, and I'm super excited about that because who does not want to have tea made from flowers that turns the water blue? It's so magical. Behind that, I've got my cucumbers. I've got multiple herbs in that setup. I think I have tarragon, thyme, and gosh, what else? Oh, I have Thai basil coming up over there. And then on the trellising, I have some beans coming in. And then over here, my cute gate that I made. Over here, again, nasturtiums. And behind that, I have some parsley, cinnamon basil, and tomatillos. And then in the bed behind that, I have more cucumbers, lavender, kale, and Swiss chard. And I think I've got some beans coming up back there too. I think they're Blue Lake stringless pole beans. And then over here is the tomato jungle. That's my tomato jungle, and I have yet to trellis it. I've got the poles out there. I got the T-posts. I just haven't put them in the ground and done the actual trellising. It'll happen. Or not. But let me show the rest. All right, guys. I love walking through my garden. There's so many beautiful things and flowers, and I have my hummingbird feeders too. Got a bunch of those up. And just, this is, again, it's my favorite place to wind down at the end of the day and take things in and kind of reflect on the rest of the day. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around because I don't want to get too close to the pigs, so you'll never hear me. Okay, so here I've got baby cucumbers. I've got several different types of cantaloupe. Some volunteer tomatoes, a couple of those. I've got a volunteer squash. I have no idea what that one is. I have watermelon. I have butternut squash. Way back there, I have zucchini. And then around the edge, I've planted a bunch of sunflowers and zinnias. And I will tell you, I will never ever plant a garden in my life without zinnias. They're so pretty, and they make the most beautiful cut flowers. And I'll tell you, I'm bringing them in the house as cut flowers, and they are lasting. Like even in this heat that we've been having, and I don't have air conditioning or insulation or anything like that, you know, because who needs that? But my flowers are lasting, my cut flowers. But just like, sorry, I'm trying to not step on wires and stuff. But the zinnias, I love them. Here, let me show you. These are some of my zinnias, and oh my gosh, look at these. Like, seriously, aren't they beautiful? Holy moly. They're so pretty. I love bringing them inside. But again, here we go. I've got, you know, my beets, my feverfew, my cilantro's back there. I've got morning glories and beans getting ready to go over the trellis there. And then over on this side, I've got my strawberries, lemon balm. I've got more sunflowers around the back. I've got some pumpkins, and interspersed I have some milkweed and snapdragons and just a whole bunch of different flowers. So gotta have flowers, right? So yeah, guys, so if I look a little tired, I am. I'm so ready. I still have to water tonight, water the garden. I just wanted to take a second though and kind of check in with y'all, because it's this is my absolute favorite time of day. Like I said, when I get to come out here and when I hand water everything, and it can take me up to 2 hours on a really hot day to hand water. But I also get to look at every plant and see how they're doing, see if my seedlings need something, see if I need to fertilize, see if I need to back off on water or water more. But as much as I just want to go and like face down on the bed and go to sleep right now, I'm going to still spend my time out here in the garden. And then I'm also going to, because I'm an ingredient household. Like, I don't have fast food here. So I'm going to harvest some carrots and some beets, roast those up for dinner, and call it a night. So thanks for joining me in the garden tonight, guys. Hope you all had a great weekend.